What up, YouTube, man? We back at it again with another one. You know how we coming, man. But anyway, man, before we start, you already know the drill. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Get me to 1,000. I'm coming up on 1,000. Well, I'm coming up on 800, but we close to 1,000, man. Get me to 1,000, man. We're gonna do a giveaway when I hit 1,000. $300 gift cards, credit cards, whatever they are. But man, on for today, man, we're gonna show y'all what the upgrade on the front suspension is. I know it was a big talk about what I was gonna do, air shocks. Well, not air shocks, but you know, just box caprice shocks, new shocks and springs, coilovers. But y'all probably read it in the description, man. We going with qa1 coilovers, and I got the control arms, upper and lowers. It's pretty expensive, man. It was really expensive. I didn't think I was gonna spend this much on the front end suspension. I'm thinking I was about to spend like $300-400, but yeah, I couldn't get none of these parts for $300-400, not even as a single part. But anyway, man, we got it. We finna go ahead and rock out. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Break it down out the box, and let's get to it. All right, let's get to it. So we're gonna start with the coilovers. It's the front coilover. I never noticed they were so small. I don't know. I guess I never paid attention. But boom. You know what I'm saying? A little short, stubby. That's the other one. You know, it's two of everything. qa1 joint. Get it around. qa1 for the win. You know, front and back. I got the rears too. You know, those are already installed if you've been checking out my videos. If not, go check it out. A couple videos down the line. We installed the rears. So you got the front right here, you know, small, put it in there. Wound bound. Thank you, ma'am. Let me see. You see it? Yeah, you can see it a little bit. I ain't getting under there because I'm kind of dressed today. I ain't looking rough today. Coilovers right there. Let's see. What is this? These are uppers. The uppers, I'm thinking. The upper control arm. Yo. I didn't understand why they were so expensive. But when you pick these things up, like this is metal. Like that's solid. Ain't no breaking, ain't no bending, ain't no nothing with that. Got both sides. But yeah, man, this thing is heavy. Like, this is like, I don't know, maybe like 15-20 pounds heavy. Just one of them. And that's the smaller one. It's the lowers. I think I'm saying it right. If not, I mean, y'all know what I mean. I ain't never changed these out, so this is something new for me. qa1, everything. When I tell you this is like 30 pounds at least, that thing is heavy. So yeah, now I understand why they so expensive. If you want to, I'll let you know the price. I'm thinking the uppers was like 500, and the lowers was like 600, like 1,100 and all. Then the coilovers was like 550 or 500, something like that. It came out to like 1,600 after everything was done. So we gonna see if it's worth it. I really didn't want to spend that little bag on there, but I did. It's over with. You know, let's get it installed. So we gonna take it to the shop today, get those installed, get my steering wheel installed. Something else. I can't think of what else, but and my I got another piece I gotta go get. Hold up, just a second. All right, now we back, man. We back. I had to go get it, but got the steering wheel, getting that installed. I had to take it back to the interior shop, get it wrapped. I don't know if I showed y'all it wrapped yet, but of course we got it wrapped to match the interior. Boom! That's so nasty. But we got the Wheelwood, dang, what is this called? The Wheelwood Master Cylinder. Master Cylinder. It's, if you want to know the part number, this is that. I actually don't even know if this is the right one, because the dude that was telling me to get it wasn't answering his phone when I ordered it, so I just ordered what I thought was right. But that's that. Thing look good. Look real good. That's gonna be pretty under there. But you know, I've been having brake problems, and I think this is why. The proportional valve, I needed disc to disc. Right now, I think on my car I have disc to drum, and that's why I'm having problems. But this is the Wheelwood proportional valve, Wheelwood Master Cylinder. You want that part number? Boom, there you go. Put you in the game. So, this is all we got for today, man. Get this installed, get all this installed. Hopefully it don't take them long, about a week or so. However, I don't know. It don't really matter. I got time, man. It's winter. It's cold out here. We finna go pull up on my boy Shelby. We finna meet up, head to the shop. Crazy thing about it, man, I gotta drive this car all the way across town. No windows. No windows. I don't know what happened to my dang, the painter, man. I think they took my door apart and they didn't leave a little switch in there for the windows to go up and down. And I can't find them. I don't know if they lost them, they left them. I don't know, man. But we gonna have to get that taken care of ASAP. It's cold out here, man. I gotta ride with the windows down looking crazy as hell. But it's cool though. It ain't that cold. It's like 50 degrees, maybe high 40s. But yeah, man, that's what we got for today. I'll see y'all in a little bit. I'll catch y'all at the shop. All right, man. Yeah, he already getting to it. I gotta order some more stuff. He said I need a sway bar link and a sway bar cover or something. I'm thinking about doing. He's saying I should go ahead and grab some more stuff, tie rod ends and stuff. I don't know, man. I'm just trying to break me for my pockets. People was asking about these studs. On the front, you gotta replace your studs for them, like Forgiatos and stuff, them name brand wheels. I don't know why, but you gotta get like some extended studs. These are extended studs. And you gotta, you know, basically install them. So, cause, hey, if you don't extend these studs, your wheel will fall off. I've seen it twice. 2 different cars fall off, bend your fender all the way up. Then it's gonna be ugly. Replace them studs, man. Broke it down, all the way down. All this gonna be new. Before and after pictures of that motherfucker, Kelly. You should have took before and after pictures of that damn car. All that broke down. Show y'all the other side that's put together. He started turning down a little bit. It's all gonna be new and looking pretty. Oh yeah, I did a frame notch right here too. I forgot to tell y'all that. That's a frame notch right there. Now you got this side broke down. It's time to put them bad boys in there. Well, we gotta take this out. Well, we almost there. Almost. I mean, not almost, but you see the progress, goddamn. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I'm gonna have to split the video because it's gonna be a little too long. I don't really like making long videos because I don't want to bore y'all out. So I'm gonna split the video up. But I ain't get to show y'all I ain't gonna get to show y'all the process because you know I have to leave and I can't just sit there and show it the whole time because you know it's gonna take time for you to build the whole front suspension. So I couldn't show y'all the process, and you know I couldn't get no video of it because you know he's an older cat. He just trying to do his job and get it out of the shop, and I understand it. So I ain't tripping on it. But I'm gonna just show y'all the finished product next video, and you know we on to the next, man. Thank y'all for subscribing. Everything. I need to make a separate little single video of about the contest, man. I do want to do a contest for 1,000 subscribers, and you know we gonna get right. You know what I'm saying? I do want to do that giveaway. I am gonna do that giveaway. 3 cards, $300 cards. And I'm gonna just go from there. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just make a video and let you know what you gotta do to enter. And I'm gonna do a drawing, you know, like live on Facebook, Facebook most likely. If you got a Facebook, add me, and I'm gonna get it right. You know what I'm saying? But until next time, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We trying to get 1,000. We on the road to 1,000. I'm at 800 now. So get me to 1,000, man. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Comment. Share, man. Share it to your social media, please. That's the biggest thing I want because it spreads me out across the map instead of, you know, just like whatever I share. Share my video to your Facebook and let us get right. Until next time. Peace.